Chromebook presents Jazzmyne Robbins on the Adulthood, a series about finding your way in the modern world.
Hi, I'm Jazzmyne Robbins on the Adulthood, and we are talking about online dating, relationships, confidence. We're talking about it all. Around in my early 20s, everyone was like, you met someone online? Oh my gosh. When now we're just yeah, Gen Z and millennials, that's how we communicate in general. So I don't think we're having a problem trying to make connections online, and that's the safest way to go about things right now. I would say go in to online dating knowing what you want, knowing an idea of what you want, but also it's a balance. Libra talking, it's a balance of make sure you keep yourself in check, but also be open to new and different things. When I moved out to LA, I was in a serious relationship. We dated for 5-6 years, and she eventually moved out here with me. We broke up. After that breakup, that was my online dating phase, getting onto apps, wearing necklaces that said daddy on them out here. And I respect that phase of my life. I was having a lot of conversations. I'm just swiping through and I'm like, yes. I haven't had this for so long. At least for me, it's just very much easier to get the vibe of someone through text. I want a full conversation. I'm not just a one day, hey, how are you? Okay, cool. You want to meet up? No. If I really don't know anything about you, I need to have a few conversations carried on over a few days. Stimulate my mind, and then I can see romance, but I don't just jump in I need to know something, So if you're really committed to the online dating lifestyle, but you're realizing that it's only a hookup app, use different apps, try this, try that. You gotta listen to yourself and cater to yourself in different ways. It is easier to type your feelings than it is to say them. If you struggle with setting boundaries, but if you can do that through a text or something, then I feel you're already on that path to getting yourself to saying that stuff out loud. As long as you're being honest with yourself in what you want, that can also happen online as well.